I like to choose sushi because it's very simple, but a so deep process. 이라시마세. When I gave the first trip to United States in New York, I passed the fish store. It makes like a very sting fish because they don't care about the preparation. This we call the super freezer. We learned from Japan. We need it for killing parasite. Almost 30 years. We have a two high temperature freezer and a regular refrigerator. Maintainer defrost after here. They needed the regular refrigerator to back to the normal condition of the tuna. So you see, this is not completely defrost. This is about 2 days at least. Most important is how to defrost, because if we make it drip the water from a fish, that's not good, because all taste is gone. Fish is very dedicated, so treatment, how to take care of the fish, that's very important. So all Japanese fishermen put it in a water pool and the cover because it makes it relax. So that's very healthy. Stress created the histamine. Histamine is a negative sickness. They produce the oxygen by cell. Oxygen makes the dark. Too bad in a little dark, we don't use it, this one. Sashimi had a long history. One of the creators, Fujiwara Yamakage, who created the recipe and also the structure of cooking style, 850 Christian era. One of the monk, Dogen, he also created like a snack when do the meditation. Sashimi started that era. Two men's concept of philosophy and also techniques still we are following. Fish has a life, so when kill their life, you should use a completely whole food. Appreciation of that. So that's why don't waste. もったいない。The Japanese food always have to think about how to pull out the individual character.